Dear students, today we will start the new chapter oscillation, in which first we see periodic motion, oscillatory motion, and simple harmonic motion. What is periodic motion? The motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. The regular time interval is called the time period of the periodic motion. By example, its concept will be very clear. Then you see the first example. The revolution of Earth around the Sun is a periodic motion. Its period of revolution is 1 year. That means when the Earth moves around a Sun and makes a one complete rotation, this duration is known as 1 year. Second example of periodic motion is the revolution of Moon around the Earth is a periodic motion. Its period of revolution is 27.3 days. Third example is the motion of the hands of a clock is a periodic motion. Second one is oscillatory motion. If a body in periodic motion moves along the same path to and fro about a equilibrium position, then the motion of the body is called oscillatory or vibratory motion. By example, your concept may be more clear. Then listen the first example. The motion of the bow of swimming simple pendulum is oscillatory motion. Second one, when a loaded spring is pulled and then released, the load attached to the spring executes oscillatory motion. All of you see the simple pendulum. You can make the simple pendulum yourself. Make a heavy metallic bow and tie up with a inextensible string and hang it with a rigid support. It is called simple pendulum. The definition of the simple pendulum is heavy point mass suspended with inextensible string with a rigid support and free to move to and fro motion are called simple pendulum. Last one topic is simple harmonic motion. Its abbreviation is SHM. SHM is a special kind of oscillatory motion. A particle is set to execute simple harmonic motion if it is moves to and fro about the mean or equilibrium position in a straight line, and the graph between displacement of the particle from equilibrium position and time in is a sine curve or cosine curve. Such type of motion is called simple harmonic motion. Its displacement is represented by the equation y is equal to a sine omega t. Here y is displacement, a is amplitude, omega is angular frequency, and t is time. What is amplitude? The maximum displacement of the particle from its mean position are called amplitude. It's all for today. In next class, we see the characteristics of simple harmonic motion.